Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Jesse Everything's Track. Now, I know this is not a track video. This is really an unboxing video. I have another unboxing video. Why am I doing these unboxings of the track channel? Well, for one, these are basically devices that I'm going to be using for my track channel. So my birthday just came up 2 days ago, and I got a brand new laptop that I bought a month ago that I have not used yet, except to make sure I installed everything and to make sure it was all good. But I just bought a brand new laptop to edit my videos, my track videos. And since my new laptop has, Touch ID and Bluetooth and all that stuff, unlike my older laptop, I wanted some headphones, some Bluetooth headphones to use while I edit my videos instead of using my Beat Solo 3s because it has an aux cord, but I want to use Bluetooth headphones. So that's where these come in. These are the JBL, and I did open this because this was hard to open, so I went ahead and opened this part. So these right here are the JBL Endurance Race. Why did I get the JBL Endurance Race? One, I was told that they have good bass. Two, I was told that they have good clarity. And three, they're cheap. All right, right now they're $79.99, but at the time that I was telling somebody to get me the headphones that I wanted them, they were $54.99. So she got them for me for my birthday. So I thank her for that. And anyways, she got me these, so now I'm finna unbox them because I haven't seen. Oh, the fourth reason is I don't see a lot of YouTube videos on these. I see a lot of people unboxing them, but I'm finna go ahead and test them for y'all. All right, so I'm not gonna make this video long. Let's get ahead and get to it. So we're gonna do the unboxing and I'm gonna test them for you. So right here it says JBL Endurance Race. All right, over here on the side, true wireless, was rugged, waterproof, smart ambient, 100. All right, it has 30 hours of play and 10 hours to the headphones have 10 hours, and plus the case that gives it 20 hours, so 30 hours overall. Now on the side, this is for people that really have Android, not really iPhones like I do, but you do have OK Google and Alexa built in. Again, it's waterproof and dustproof. And right here on the bottom, it shows all the items that are inside this box. On the back, it says run your own race. Again, it's letting you know it's a fast pair. You can get an hour and 10 minutes. It has Bluetooth 5.2. So this is like, I think this is the most up-to-date Bluetooth because 5.1 was last year. So 5.2 is the newest one. And again, it says clear calls. It has 4 mics, multi-voice assistance, dual connect. So you can use one headphone and not the other one. Well, we're finna test that out. And wing enhance feature. That's another reason I want it, because I want to use it for track as well. I do have Power Beats 3s, but I wanted to use these as well for running, see how they test. So right here it says dare to listen. So let's go ahead and open it. All right, so these are the headphones. These are bigger than I thought they were going to be as well, by the way. But this is the headphone. See if it focuses. There you go. It's a nice headphone. The wingtip. All right, so we have 2 of these. We have the case. It does have USB-C, by the way. Said that earlier. It has USB-C. Says JBL on top. Open it. Let's go ahead and pop these in. I can't tell if I'm doing it right. I can't tell if it's magnetic or not. But anyways, yeah, I think I did that wrong. Let's go ahead and try to put this in this way. There we go. There we go. Doing it the wrong way. There we go. So they are magnetic. Nice sound. And right here, we just have extra tips and an extra set of this. I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. So test out your ears. Everybody's ears aren't the same. And in here, let's see what we have in here. Like Flossie Carter says, we got books. So it's just quick start guide, product warranty, and USB-C. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use them. This, by the way, this has JBL embroidered on the cord. So I'm finna get back to you. I'm finna use them and let you know how it sounds. All right, it's official. I'm definitely going to recommend these. All right, I just tried them. I just played 3 songs, one from Kanye, one from Kyle, and one from Big Sean. That has, they all had bass. These are official. So if you like bass, these are definitely the headphones. They're pretty clear. They have touch control, so it's touch sensor controls. The only downside I just figured out about these headphones is that they don't have volume buttons. So unfortunately, you can't change the volume on these headphones. You have to use your phone or your iWatch or whatever. So that's the only downside about these headphones. But they fit good. They fitted good. They were snug. They're comfortable, and they sounded very good. So if you need some headphones, you want something that you can work out in, something that's waterproof, sounds good, and has good bass, something that's very fast when it comes to charging, these are the headphones you want to get. All right, so like I said before, these are called the JBL Endurance Race. They're going on for $79.99 right now, so make sure you get a pair, and I'll see y'all later. All right, peace.